Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. If you're new to my channel, this is all about skincare, beauty, fashion and lifestyle related videos. Please make sure to subscribe if you are interested in these type of content. Work with the product for a consistent period of time and leave my review. And I don't do any sponsored or paid reviews. I buy all my skincare product with my own money. So if you like not sponsored videos, make sure you subscribe. Today's review is all about another Korean skincare product, and this is from the brand Sioris. The product is Sioris Time is Running Out. This is the first time I am trying a product which is a facial mist. I am not against these type of product, but I really don't think mists are necessary for people who don't use much skincare product. They rely on just spraying some mist, which is actually good. Another thing is that during summer, I feel misting is a good way to hydrate and soothe the skin because you cannot apply too much product, right? Sioris is a Korean skincare brand which uses natural ingredients and plants that are seasonal. I also think that it's cruelty free and their packaging looks minimal and recyclable as well. Now this product I am showing, it contains all these ingredients. As you can see, it's a blend of oils and plant extract and water, and that is why it is not looking blended. See, oil stay on top and water down. So while using, we need to just shake it and spray it, so you get both the benefit of oil and other ingredient together. I actually didn't like this idea of keeping product like this, but anyway, the brand tries to keep it more natural, it seems. I can smell like I'm entering into a garden because it has a good mild floral smell to which some people can enjoy and some people may not. But it's really nice and it's not very strong or overwhelming. It's very subtle. Coming to how the texture looks, it feels like water. It does not have a hint of a toner like consistency. Also, I don't feel any irritation with this, but I don't feel I can recommend this to acne prone skin or who have fungal acne to try this, because it does have oils and it can clog acne prone skin and increase acne. So be aware that this is not fungal acne safe. People who have normal or oily skin or dry skin, they can try it. Oily skin people, please be cautious on the quantity you are using. Whom will I recommend it? I would say mist is not necessary thing in skincare. People who are really hot body temperature, their skin normally will feel hot, so for those, just spraying this is good to calm down the skin and also to hydrate. And also for people who don't use much skincare routine, they can also just carry this if you want for an instant hydration. Do I like it? I have mixed feelings because I cannot actually hate it, but I don't like it either because it didn't do anything on my skin. Maybe if I don't have any product, I just carry this and spray it for instant hydration. That's it. I don't think any reason to spend on this because I have already lot of things for hydration which I can get from other product. But anyway, I bought this, so I will use. I hope this review was helpful. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you.